First step is to fill the inside of your medicine jar. This is just Ashland decorative pieces, and I hot glued it on top. Then I applied the cap that came with the medicine container. The stuff that I glued on here is broken jewelry. I had that all laying around except for 3 gears and 2 buttons. The lid for this on top here is a vitamin lid. Now you can see this air plant is very tiny. Needs a little more support. You can use a smaller bottle cap, soda. And there you go. So that gives it a little bit more support. Even my jewelry pieces are hot glued on. You can use a different adhesive if you choose to. And that's how it would look if it grew. This piece took less than 5 minutes to make. You fill it with little pebbles and glue the top and then glue the lid on. The trim for the top comes like that. You can find it in the ribbon section. It's trim for fabric. And there you go, very easy. Here's one for the kids. First they fill it with little shells, even broken pieces of shell, that's fine, and little pebbles. They use tacky glue and tack on the little pebble nose and the eyes. The top of the shell-filled container, I put a whole bunch of hot glue on that, let it dry. Then I gave the children the false fur and they tacky glued that on and then tacky glued a little soda cap on too.